Okay, so this is an LK1920. Serial number, last three digits is 065. I don't know if you can see that. This is the one with the new control panel. All right, so there's a USB port here to upload and upload patterns. All right, we have a nice digital display. We have the pneumatic tension here as well, because what they're sewing is a little bit on the heavy side with the thread. And this application is they're sewing this buckle here with this webbing. So we've got a gauge here, because there's a fold on the webbing, and this is where the buckle is going to go here. So here that's loaded into place. You can get it up against the stops. And that's pretty much it. So you look at this here, and there's the bottom there. Okay?